Do you want to learn screenwriting? Perfect. This course will teach you everything you need to know to get started. My name is Phil Ebener, and I've created some of the world's top-rated video production courses. For this course, I've partnered with Brian Birmingham, an expert in screenwriting, and he's going to help you write your own screenplay.
In this course, you will learn the essential principles of screenwriting and how to turn your ideas into unique, well-crafted, and compelling screenplays. We'll cover everything from character development, plotting techniques, and story structure to formatting, efficient scene and dialogue writing, and analysis of professional films and screenplays so you can see how each individual element contributes to the story as a whole. I've put a lot of thought and effort into making this the best comprehensive screenwriting course that I could for you. One that will take you from absolute beginner to a writer who has the toolkit necessary to come away from this course with an outstanding script, and all while having fun learning the process of doing so.
When you enroll in this class, you get instant access to easy-to-watch lessons, practical activities, downloadable materials, and support from an instructor who cares about helping you.
Whether you're looking to turn your idea into a screenplay or starting completely from scratch, we truly believe this is the best course for you.
Just click that enroll button and we'll see you inside.